Are you looking to be relocated to Arkansas State? In today's video, we're going to talk about where and how you can buy land and lots in the state of Arkansas. If you're considering relocating to Arkansas State, there are a few things to keep in mind as you explore the state. First, it's important to note that Arkansas is known for its natural beauty and outdoor recreational opportunities. The state is home to a variety of landscapes, from the lush forests of the Ozarks to the rolling hills of the Arkansas River Valley. The state also has many lakes, rivers, and streams, making it a popular destination for fishing, boating, and water sports. If you have arrived at this video, we need to ask you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is very important to keep us motivated and bring new topics to the channel. Thank you. Another thing to consider when relocating to Arkansas is the cost of living. The state has a relatively low cost of living compared to other parts of the country, which can be a big plus for those looking to save money. Housing costs, in particular, tend to be quite affordable, with a wide range of options available to suit different budgets. If you prefer to start investing in land or residential lots to build your dream home, for permanent residence or vacation, it's a great option as Arkansas offers a variety of opportunities for vacant land across the state. Check the links in the description for you to see some of the lots available in Arkansas. This is just a scratch for you to start your search on land availability for every wallet out there. Now, the culture of Arkansas is also something to take into account. The state has a rich history and a strong sense of community, with a variety of festivals, events, and other activities happening throughout the year. The state is also known for its delicious southern cuisine and hospitality. If you're relocating for work, it's worth noting that Arkansas has a diverse economy with a mix of industries, including agriculture, manufacturing, and service sectors. The state's major cities such as Little Rock, Fayetteville, and Bentonville are home to a variety of businesses and organizations, offering plenty of job opportunities. Overall, Arkansas offers a unique blend of natural beauty, affordable living, and a strong sense of community, making it a great place to call home. Whether you're looking for outdoor adventure, a friendly community, or a stable job market, you're sure to find something to love in Arkansas. But as I mentioned before, there are many different options for buying land in Arkansas. Some popular options include residential land. If you're looking to build a new home, there are many residential lots available for sale in cities and towns across the state. These lots may be located in established neighborhoods or in new developments. Recreational land. If you're looking for land to use for hunting, fishing, or other outdoor activities, there are many options available in rural areas of the state. This type of land may be located near lakes, rivers, or in the Ozark and Ouachita Mountains. Agricultural land. Arkansas is known for its agriculture industry, and there are many farms and ranches for sale throughout the state. This type of land may be used for growing crops or raising livestock. Commercial land. For those looking for land for business purposes, there is a wide range of commercial land options available throughout the state. These may include land for retail or office development or land for industrial use. Investment land. If you're looking to invest in land as an asset, there are many options available. The prices of these lands vary depending on the location, size, and other factors. Once again, check the links in the description of this video. It's important to keep in mind that the availability and prices of land will vary depending on the specific location, so it's a good idea to consult with a local real estate agent or land specialist for more information about current land listings and market conditions in the area you're interested in. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Help us spread this information among a lot of people who are maybe interested in investing in land or residential lots in Arkansas. These were what I had for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will be sure to bring more info on Arkansas's real estate options for land and lots. I see you then.